How to flavor food without salt. Blue zone secrets for seniors. High blood pressure affects nearly 2/3 of adults over 60. And one of the biggest culprits? Too much sodium in our diets. The good news? You don't need salt to enjoy flavorful, satisfying meals. In fact, the world's longest living people, those in the blue zones, use almost no added salt at all. Instead, they rely on natural ingredients like herbs, spices, garlic, lemon, and fermented foods to bring their meals to life. Let's explore how you can do the same while protecting your heart and enhancing your health. First, why reduce salt? According to the CDC, most older adults consume far more sodium than recommended. Excess salt can cause the body to retain water, increasing blood volume and raising blood pressure. Over time, this puts extra strain on the heart, kidneys, and arteries. But flavor doesn't have to suffer. Just look at the blue zones, places like Okinawa, Japan, and Ikaria, Greece, where people live well into their 90s and 100s with very low rates of heart disease. So, what's their secret? Number 1. Herbs and spices. Nature's salt-free seasoning. Instead of reaching for the salt shaker, try fresh or dried herbs like rosemary, thyme, basil, oregano, and dill. Spices like turmeric, cumin, paprika, and cinnamon not only add bold flavor, they're also anti-inflammatory and antioxidant rich. Studies show that herbs and spices can help reduce oxidative stress and support healthy circulation, especially when used regularly. Number 2. Lemon and vinegar. Bright, fresh, and heart-healthy citrus juice, especially lemon, adds brightness to vegetables, fish, and grains without any sodium. A splash of vinegar, like balsamic or apple cider, adds a tangy depth that wakes up your taste buds. These acidic ingredients stimulate your palate in the same way salt does, but without the health risks. Number 3. Garlic and onion. A 2020 meta-analysis in phytomedicine found that garlic supplements significantly lowered blood pressure in people with hypertension. Use it fresh, roasted, or sautéed to replace salty flavor in soups, sauces, and stir-fries. Onions add sweetness and richness as they cook, making them another great foundation for flavor. Number 4. Miso and fermented foods, the savory secret. In Okinawa, one of the original blue zones, people flavor broths with miso, a fermented soybean paste that adds rich, umami flavor. Though miso contains some sodium, it's used in small amounts and balanced by its probiotic benefits, which support digestion and immune health. Other options include low-sodium tamari, sauerkraut, or kimchi, used sparingly for flavor and gut health. Final tip: retrain your taste buds. It only takes about 2 to 3 weeks to adjust to lower sodium eating. As your taste buds reset, you'll start to notice the true flavors of whole foods. Sweet carrots, nutty grains, juicy tomatoes, without the need for added salt. In summary, by seasoning your meals like the long-living people in the blue zones with herbs, citrus, garlic, and fermented foods, you can protect your heart, lower your blood pressure, and enjoy your meals even more. Share in the comments how you are adding healthy seasoning to your food. And don't forget to subscribe to Senior Wellness and Health for your healthy longevity.